start reading this question. We have not done. No? Question number 7, have we done? Read the question. Find the number of ways of drawing 9 balls from a bag containing 6 red, 8 green, 7 blue, so that 3 balls of every color are drawn. What will be your answer? How many ways? You have 6 red, you have 8 green, and 7 blue. You want 3 from this, you want 3 from this, you
Sir,
want
it should be 6C3 into 8C3
into
7C3.
yeah. Now tell me, how do you calculate 6C3?
6 numbers starting from 3 numbers starting from 6.
3 numbers starting from 6.
And 3 numbers starting from 3.
Yeah, 3 numbers starting from 3.
Then again 3 numbers starting from 8 and 3 numbers starting from 3, and same goes for 7 as well.
Yeah, 7 into 6 into 5 upon 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 is 6, so cancel off. 3 into 2, 1 is 6, cancel off. 3 into 2, 1 is 6, cancel off. So it's 20 into 56 into 35. Now you have to multiply this and write your answer. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
As everybody followed, number of ways of selecting 3 from 6 is 63. You have to very carefully see whether it's a drawing means what you're doing. Drawing means selecting. So we are not using NPR. When do you use NPR? When will you use NPR? When do you use NPR? Tell me. When do you use NCR and when do you use NPR?
When
Tell
the
me, one of you.
selection, when the
NPR is
selection,
used when?
yes, sir.
When do you use NPR? Nobody want to answer. Jeff, when do you use NPR?
So gap link when no?
Arrangement, not gap.
Arrangement.
Arrangement. Any arrangement you will use NPR. When do you use NCR? When you are selecting. So if the question is arrangement, you will use NPR. If it is selection, you will use NCR. C for choice. C for choice.
But in this one only, na 5 people are there. We can only select 4 people.
Yeah. So
Okay.
5C4.
Okay.
So if you want to arrange 4 people in a chair on 5 chairs, then you use 5PR. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Everybody is clear about when to use NPR and NCR?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have
Yes,
you finished
sir.
question number 7, everybody? Okay. Question number 8. Anam, answer me question number 8.
Find the number of ways of selecting a team of 3 boys and 2 girls from 6 boys and 4 girls. Sir, it should be 6C3 into 4C2 now.
Correct. 6C3 into 4C2. From 6 boys, you need to select 3 boys. From 4 girls, you need to select 2 girls. So, and the word between them is and, so you multiply. So 6C3 into 4C2. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now calculate this fast.
Sir.
6C3, 6 into 5 into 4, divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 4C2, 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1. So 6 and 6 cancelled, 2 cancelled. So 20 into 6, answer is 120. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Very fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Austin, answer me question number 9. Everybody today has to answer one question at least. Austin,
Yes, sir.
read the question.
After a meeting, every participant shakes hands with every other participants. If the number of handshakes is 66, find the number of participants in the meeting.
So for one handshake, how many people you require?
2 people.
2 people. So every selection of 2 people will give one handshake. Do you agree with the statement?
Yes, sir.
So imagine there are n people. How many handshake would have been there?
N handshakes.
And how only suppose there are 3 people, only 3 handshake will be there.
2N
No,
handshake.
no. 2N. Yeah.
How many?
2N.
2N.
Handshakes.
No. Listen to me again.
Okay,
Every 2 people, if you select, you will get 1 handshake. What the word I used? Every 2 people?
1 handshake.
No, every 2 people. What did I say? Select.
Okay.
If you select any 2 people, 1 handshake you will get. How much ever 2 people you can select, that will be your answer, no? How many 2 people you can select? For example, look here. 2 people selection means what? A, B, C, D, E, F. 2 people select A and B. 1 handshake. B and D, another handshake. C and E, another handshake. D and E, another handshake. What am I doing? From this 6 people, I am selecting 2 people at a time. How many selections are possible? 2 people, how many ways you can select, Austin?
Uh,
Okay. What is the meaning of NCR?
Selecting.
No, number of ways of selecting.
Ah.
Or what did I say? 2 at a time. Here
Yes,
I am, how many selecting NCR? How many you are selecting at a time?
2.
From N people, we are taking R at a time. एक साथ कितना ले रहे हैं? A and B एक साथ 2 ले रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Suppose I have taken 3 people, A, B, C. एक साथ 3 ले रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
एक साथ कितना ले रहे हैं? That is R. कितने लोग हैं? That is N. So tell me, in this problem, there are N people. How many handshakes are possible?
R handshakes.
How R? I didn't say R at all. There are N people in it. How many handshakes are? Okay, look at this. A, B, C, D, E, F. How many 2 people at a time can you select?
3.
A group of 2 people, how many I can make?
3.
How 3? A, B, B, C, C, D,
Oh.
3 हो गया. बाकी कितना और है? बहुत सारा है ना?
हाँ, sir. Yes, sir.
You are not listening to me properly. What is the meaning of NCR?
Selecting n people R at a time.
But you have spoke to me correctly, but you have not understood correctly, I think. Imagine I am going in a rickshaw.
Sir, N,
One
N
minute.
will be
Let me
66.
complete. Let me just complete. I think Austin has not got the hang of it. Suppose I am going in a rickshaw. How many people I can take with me in the rickshaw? If I am already sitting in the rickshaw, how many
2
more
people.
people I can select? 2 more
2
people, no?
Yes, sir.
So there are 5 students standing. How
Yes.
many different ways I can take them in my rickshaw? I have A, B, C, D, E, 5 people standing there. What are the different ways of selecting people with me in the rickshaw?
First, we'll take 3 A, B, C, then we'll take B, C, D. then C,
Now
D.
my question is how many ways? How many different ways? 5,
P3.
C, 2 ways. There are 5 people total, no?
Yes, sir.
And how many at a time I'm taking?
2.
2. So how many ways I can select?
5C2.
5C2. Suppose I'm going in a car. I'm driving. How many seats are there in the car remaining?
4.
4. And there are 10 people standing. I want to take them. How many different ways I can take this 10 people?
10C4.
10C4. Did you understand the meaning of this NCR?
Yes, sir.
4 का कितना group बना सकते हैं? From 10 people is there, and you want to make it a 4 का group. तो कितना बना सकते हैं? 10C4 group बना सकते हैं.
Okay, sir.
Understood the meaning?
Yes, sir.
Now come to our handshake. There are 10 people. How many handshakes will be there? That means you have to select a group of how many at a time?
2.
2 at a time. So how many ways I can select?
10C2.
10C2. Did you understand this clearly?
Yes, sir.
दो का 10 people में दो का group कितना बना सकते हैं?
Okay, sir.
Imagine like you are marbles. You are making 3 का group. So suppose I have 10 marbles. 3 का group कितना बना सकते हैं?
10C3.
10C3. Got it?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now we come to our question. Now read the question once again. You must have forgot question now. In a meeting, every participant shakes hand with every other participant. If the number of handshake is 66, find the number of people.
In the meeting.
Yeah. So imagine there are N people. So how many handshakes will be having?
Okay. NC2.
NC2. And that happened to be 55. We have to find n. Now NC2, how to write the answer for NC2? Write two numbers starting
Sir,
from
it's 66 now.
Yes, sir. 66. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
55 and 66. Right? So 2 into 1 is 66. So n into n minus 1 is 132. Barabar hai?
Yes, sir.
Now 132 should be written as product of two consecutive numbers.
11 and 12.
12 and 11. Bigger number first, no?
12 and 11, yes.
Yeah. Very good. So n is equal to 12.
And is equal to 12.
Everybody followed?
Hmm.
Very important question. Eh?
I'll follow.
So write down. For an handshake, we require two people. If there are n people, number of handshake is equal to NC2. Then solve and show this calculation. Somebody had given the answer. Chaitanya gave 11. Kashish 12. Atharva, you understood now why 66 C2 is wrong? It's not 66
Yes,
people.
sir. I understood.
Total handshake is 66.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Understood.
no problem. Can we move on to next question or we are still writing?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Parshva, be ready for next class. Next question. Parshva? Parshva is here in
Done,
class.
sir.
Be ready for the next question answer. You will have to read the question and tell your method. Can I change this? Okay. Yeah. Parshva, read the question number 10. Question number 10. Parshva. No, he doesn't want to answer. Okay, I'll ask some girls. Darshana is there. Diksha Shetty. Diksha, are you there? See, now I know only few students who answer me, so I keep on answering them. Then don't say I'm not sure. Diksha, can you
Can
hear
I?
me? Yeah, who is speaking?
Arunati.
Arnati, please answer. How many points are there?
20 points.
So 1 minute, I'll just explain. A circle is there. Yesterday I explained this question already. 20 points are there on the circle.
Yes.
And what do you have to find out?
We have to find out how many chords can be drawn.
Yeah, how many chords can be drawn? So for one, to get a chord, how many points are required?
2 points.
So how can you give me the answer?
20 C2.
Yeah, from 20, a group of 2 has to be formed. So your answer will be 20 C2. What is the answer for 20 C2? 20 C2.
20 factorial.
No, don't do that way. Write 2 numbers starting from 20.
Okay.
Write 2 numbers starting from 2. So
Okay.
answer is 190. Don't have to do that definition. That it will take. Yes, Nandana. Yes, Kashish. Yes, Kevil. The students are given correct answer. Chirag. Good. Can we go to next one?
Yes, sir.
Who is answering? Who wants to answer? Nandana, do you want to answer? Nandana,
Yes, sir.
can you answer question number 12? 11, question number 11. It's a quite difficult question. We'll make an attempt. Okay, do one thing. You don't answer that question. I'll make a polygon here. How many vertex this polygon is having?
7.
6, no? Hexagon it is.
6, 6, 7.
You have to tell me how many diagonals are there in this hexagon. If you count like this, you can see AC is one diagonal, DB is another diagonal, B is another diagonal, CF. Don't start counting. Without counting them, actually how many diagonals are there? Because we need to do it for 10 and 12, 15. You can't keep on counting like that. For a diagonal, how many vertices are required?
2.
2. So how many vertex of 2, 2 group can you form from this? How many vertices? For example,
30.
no, don't give me like that. Just don't double it. You could talk to me only in NCR. Because you will, other way, all what you speak will go wrong. How many joining of 2 letters? Okay, speak out some vertex. Nandana, what are the vertex? Be careful. This is a very important question. All questions are very important. For any diagonal, to form any diagonal, I need 2 letters out of this. Do you agree with this statement?
Yes, sir.
For example, AC is one diagonal, AD, another diagonal, B, what I'm speaking, 2 letters I'm speaking at a time, right? From
Yes,
how
sir.
many letters?
From 2, the A and D and A and B like that.
No, how many total letters are there?
6.
6. From this 6 letters, I'm picking how many at a time?
2 at a time.
So how many 2 at a time I can select?
6 C2.
6 C2. Now my next question to you is, all 2 letters, are they the diagonal? If I select any, for example, AB, is it a diagonal?
No, it will be a
No, it
side.
is a side. AC, is it a diagonal?
95.
AC
Yes.
is a diagonal, no?
Yes.
BD is a diagonal, no?
Yes.
15.
BC is a side,
66.
correct, no?
Huh.
So can you tell me how many diagonals are there in this? 62 selections you can do, but all of them are not diagonals.
Hmm.
So how many diagonals are there? Can I speak like this? Number of sides plus number of diagonals. Somebody has given me answer, I have to check. Is equal to 6C2. Do you agree with this statement? Anam, I didn't understand. You gave so many answers.
So there are 4 options. Now you have to give
Okay.
answers for.
Okay. Number of sides plus number of diagonals. How much number of sides plus number of diagonals is 62? Do you agree with the statement? So number of diagonals will be how much? 6C2 minus number of sides. Yes or wrong? So 6C2 minus how many sides are there? 6 sides are there. 6-sided polygon has 6 sides. So your answer is what?
Yeah.
6 into 5 upon 2 into 1
2 into
minus
1.
6. So how much that became? 15 minus 6. So there'll be 9 diagonals for this particular polygon, which I've drawn on the board. Look at this 9-1. AC, AD, AE, BE, BD, then CF, CE. Like this, you have 9 diagonals. Do you understand the method? Yes or no? You people don't answer me also. You don't tell me also. How can anybody teach you?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Write out, if there are n vertex for a polynomial, then number of sides plus number of diagonals is equal to NC2. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes,
number
sir.
of diagonals is equal to NC2 minus number of sides. That is NC2 minus n. So if n is 10, what will be your answer?
10C2 minus 10,
Yes, correct.
that is 10 into 9, 9 plus
10 into 9.
35, sir.
Yes. That is equal to 45 minus 10, so 35.
35.
Did you understand?
I did only NC2.
Yeah.
I didn't subtracted 10 from the answers.
Everybody followed this?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
Yep.
having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Parth, you are going to answer me next question. Everybody has written this?
No, sir. Writing, sir.
All right, all right.
No, sir.
Yeah, next question is, there are 20 straight line in a plane. Oh, this is a little difficult one. I'll just explain to you. Okay. I'll explain on the screen. Imagine there are points A, B, C, D, E. Tell me, how many segments can you form out of these 5 points? Total number of segments.
5.
5? Only 5.
No, sir. 5C2.
5C2. Who gave me that answer? Yes, 5C2. Okay, will correct. Selection of any 2 points out of this 5 will give you the number of segments. For example, AB एक segment है, AC दूसरा segment है, BC, BD, E. You are selecting 2 letter at a time.
Okay.
Understood the word at a time? I don't know whether you still got that idea at a time. एक साथ कितना ले रहे हैं? 5 points we are selecting, but साथ में एक group में 2 ही जन है, तो 5C2 ways you can select. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Okay. Now you tell me. F, G, they lie on the same line. First, you have to tell me total number of segments. Then you have to tell me how many segment lie on the line AC. Total number of segments are how many? How many segments will lie on AC? So total, tell me how many segments, total number of segments.
Sir, it should be 10 now. 5 into 4 upon 2.
No, not this. Now I increase the points.
Okay, you increase the points.
Yeah, yes, Kevin. 7, how many total points are 7? No?
7C2.
Yeah, 7C2 segments total will be there. All of you agree with the statement?
Then 21.
Don't count now. We'll count everything last. Now you talk to me only in NCR form. Then only I can come to know whether
Okay,
you've
sir.
understood or not. Now, how many segments lie on AC? On this line AC, how many segments are lying? On this line AC, how many segments are lying?
4
Yes.
segments.
4C2. Everybody agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my next question is the most important question. Total, how many lines are there? Lines can be formed. So you have total how many points? 7 points. Out of
7.
4 points are collinear. How
Yeah,
many
so 5.
different lines are there? Hey, somebody's answering me. Tell me, Dharmesh.
What is 5C2?
5C2 is not perfectly right. Because look
Number
here,
of,
you have excluded F and G, na?
yes, because the
EF भी एक line है, FP भी एक line है, G है, GD भी line है. So F और G के साथ भी line बना सकते हैं.
okay.
Look in this way. Total number of segments are 7C2. So 7C2, but all of them don't lie on the same line.
Yes.
4C2 segment lie on same line.
So subtract that.
Correct, no? So how many?
7C2 minus
lie on
4C2.
different
7C2 minus 4C2.
7C2 minus 4C2, yeah.
7C2 minus 4C2 segments will lie on different line. On different lines. Okay. Now is the
Yes.
crucial one. How many? केवल एक और बार सोचो. How many different lines can be formed? टोटल कितना लाइंस होगा? 7C2 minus 4C2 lines lie on different segments lie on different lines, but total number of lines. Anybody?
Then we have to, I think so. Then we have to just ignore the line between the points A and C.
Correct. So what will be total number?
Points will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
7C2
7C2 minus
4C2
4C2
plus 1.
plus 1.
Why plus 1?
The one line between AC.
हाँ, आपने जितना सेगमेंट ए लाइन के रेड लाइन के ऊपर जितना भी सेगमेंट है सबको निकाल दिया, लेकिन इसके साथ भी एक लाइन फॉर्म हो जाता है ना, रेड लाइन को इंक्लूड नहीं किया, तो we added that red line. Did you understand? Once again,
Yes, sir.
how did you get 7C2? We assumed that all of these points are different, lying on different lines. अलग-अलग line में है. We assumed. But later on we realized that 4C2 segments will lie on the red line. So total number of lines would be total segments that can be formed minus all the segments which lie on the same line and plus 1 because the segment that is to be included, the segment which you have deleted, that has to be included. That also forms a line. So we added 1. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Anybody not understood? Okay, let me try.
Sir, can you go through it again?
Yeah,
Last
tell me.
part.
Okay, once again, there are 10 points, of which 6 are collinear. 6 are lying on the same line. How many different lines can you be formed? First question. Total number of segments.
10C2.
And C2.
Number of segments lying on same line.
6C2.
6C2.
Therefore, total number of lines.
10C2 minus
6C2 minus
6C2 plus
6C2.
1.
1.
Minus 62.
Plus 1.
Everybody
Yeah.
follow?
Yes, sir.
Having difficulty?
No, sir.
Kashish, you have just
No,
now
sir.
joined. Kashish, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand this collinear points question?
No, sir. There was a call.
Yeah, you should keep. Listen to me again. Once again, I'm explaining. This is a very important question, which is every time asked in all the tests. Total, there are how many points here? Total, how many points are there in this diagram?
7 points.
7 points. How many segments can you form? A, B, BF, BG, BC, like this. So
7.
every 2 points, if I select from this, I'll get 1 segment. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
But all the segments are not lines. For example, AF, this is a segment, but it's not a line. AF and AG, they are same line. AC is also same line. GC is also same line. How many other segments you are forming with this many one? They all lie on same line. So the number of lines that you can form here, 7C2 segments. Out of that, segments which lie on the same line, you remove it and add 1. Why we should add 1?
Because that AC.
Correct. Understood?
So that is minus 4C2.
Minus 4C2. Correct. You are right. Minus 4C2. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
All of you followed? Anybody in the class not followed this problem? Okay. Once again, let's go back to the question. There are 20 points, 20 straight lines in a plane. There are 20 straight lines in a plane so that no 2 lines are parallel. Oh, this is not the question. Question number here, 11. Tell me number of.
Sir, done with me.
Sir, this is done now.
Yeah. 13 we did. 20th, let's do. There are 20 straight lines in a plane so that no 2 lines are parallel and no 3 lines are concurrent. determine the number of points of intersection. You understand the meaning of this? If lines are parallel, do they intersect?
No.
If the lines are concurrent, 3 lines are concurrent, then how many points will they intersect?
Only
Concurrent,
one.
Only one. So there are no 3 points concurrent. That means कोई भी 2 लाइन लेगा तो उनके बीच में कोई तो एक इंटरसेक्शन मिलेगा ही. समझा कि नहीं? So
Okay.
20 straight lines are there. उसमें कोई भी लाइन पैरेलल नहीं है, उसका मतलब तो दोनों सब प्लेन इंटरसेक्ट होता है. और दूसरा बात है, ऐसा केस भी नहीं है, ऐसा केस भी नहीं है.
Where 3 lines intersect.
हाँ, 3 लाइन एक पॉइंट से पास नहीं हो रहे. How many point of intersection will be there? For a point of intersection of 2 lines, how many lines are required?
2 lines, sir. So 20 C2.
20.
So answer is 20 C2.
20 C2.
20 C2. थोड़ा लॉजिक लगाना है, नहीं तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं कर पाएगा. सोचना पड़ेगा. ऐसे फॉर्मूला नहीं है, एक फॉर्मूला में सब आंसर नहीं मिल सकते. Yes, I want one of you to answer question number 13. Who is going to answer question number 13?
10 points of plane.
Atharva, answer me question number 13. Question number 20. 13. Atharva,
Yes, sir.
answer to question number 13. Read question.
10 points are plotted on a plane. Find the number of straight lines obtained by joining these points.
If no points are collinear,
No points are collinear. Then
how many lines can you form? How many
10.
points? 10?
No, sir, 1 minute.
इतना क्या टाइम लगता है? आपको सॉल्यूशन पढ़ने के लिए टाइम लग रहा है. क्या है तुम लोग कैसे, तुम सोचता ही नहीं है. तो अभी मैं एक प्रॉब्लम किया है ना, क्या सोचता भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, तो कैसे पढ़ा सकते हैं? Come on, tell me some other student. Kevil, answer me this question number 13.
Yes, sir. Here is given no 3 points are collinear, so the total number of lines will be 10 C2. Sir.
10 C2, very good. Now who else?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, answer question number 13. Anam.
So 13B, it says that 4 points are collinear. So it should be 10 C2 minus 4 C2 plus 1.
Excellent. Okay, and I think others don't have any doubt.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
All right. Now comes to question number, Yes, who is going to answer question number 14?
Sir, can I?
Yes, please.
Triangle needs 3 points. That's why there are 12 points. So it will be 12 C3.
Excellent. Good. 12 C3. Okay. So
If 4 points are collinear, so it will be 12 C3, 4 C2, 4 C3
4 C3.
Plus 1.
12 C3 add करना है कि separate करना है?
It will be
separate.
Minus.
Minus. Because
Because they are
Because
collinear.
it says
You have to find that
collinear,
collinear, and collinear points can never be triangle
Yeah.
collinear points cannot give you.
or triangle.
So
Triangle.
total number of triangles with 12 C3 minus 4 C3. Don't write plus 1.
Plus 1.
Lines we have plus 1, but triangle will not have plus 1.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, everybody fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 15. Who is going to answer? There are 8 consonants and 3 vowels. 8 different consonants.
So may I answer?
8C4,
Yes.
3C2,
8C4 into 3C2.
3C2.
Yeah.
How many distinct words can be formed by 4 consonants and 2 vowels? What did you tell me once again?
So it will be
8C4
8C4
into
इसमें से 4 निकालना
3C2.
है और इसमें से कितना निकालना है 2.
2 words. 2.
So
3C2.
आपने लेटर्स को सेलेक्ट किया.
Yes.
Somebody, yeah, you have only selected but you have not arranged. Did you understand, Anam?
Okay.
सेलेक्ट करके हाथ में रखा है, आपको अभी इसको अरेंज करना है. वर्ड्स कैसे फॉर्म करेगा उसको अरेंज करने के लिए. अभी आपके हाथ में कितना टोटल लेटर है Anam?
Yes, sir.
You have picked up, imagine the letters are written on a card. You picked up 4 consonants and 2 vowels.
Yeah.
When you arrange them on a row, you will get words.
Yes.
So now you have to arrange it. How many letters are there in your hand?
6 letters.
6 letters. How many ways you can arrange them?
6 factorial ways.
Excellent. So into 6 factorial. That is your answer.
Okay.
Beautiful problem, no?
Yes,
Select
sir.
किया, उसके बाद उसको arrange किया. You can select in so many ways. And you can arrange in this so many ways. Because you will get the words only by arranging. All of you followed? Very, very
Yes, sir.
important question.
Yes, sir.
Select and arrange. So write down your answer. 4 consonants can be selected in HC4 ways. 2 vowels can be selected in 3C2 ways. Total number of selection equal to 8C4 into 3C2. Then after that you write. Now this 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Now selected 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of words can be formed equal to 8C4 into 3C2 into 6 factorial. Select किया, उसके बाद arrange किया. And in diagram you make like this: consonant 8, vowels 3, इसमें से 4, इसमें से 2. This diagram बना दो. For a selection, number of selection is 8C4 into 3C2, number of arrangement 6 factorial. NC8 is equal to NC12. Yesterday I taught you how to calculate this n. Can anybody tell me how much is n? आजकल परिणीता तो क्वेश्चन आंसर ही नहीं कर रहे.
Yes, I'm there.
So how much is n? NCX and NCY are equal when
X equals to Y. No.
Or X plus Y equals to N.
X plus Y equals to
X plus Y should be equal to
N.
Sum of this lower number should be the upper number. So n should be equal to
20
plus 12.
That is 20.
Because NCR and NCN minus R are equal. So if you add this and this, you should get sum of them should be n. Then only they both can be equal. Okay. Now tell me question number 2. There are 2 possibilities. One possibility is they both numbers can be directly equal. X can be equal to Y. This is also one possibility.
Yes.
So one possibility is 3n is equal to 2n plus 3.
Then N will be 3.
Another possibility is the sum of 3n and 2n plus 3 should be equal to 23.
That is 23.
So one possibility is n is 3. N is 3, then they both are equal. Another possibility is 5n plus 3 is 23.
4, sir.
5 and, yes, 20, n is 4. When n is 4 also they are equal, n is 3 also they are equal. Very important question. So NCX equal to NCY. There are two possibilities. One possibility, x equal to y. Another possibility, x plus y is n. We are doing problems based on this both. Has everybody heard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the possibility of third question. Either
It can be 6n equals to n square plus 5, or either it can be 6n plus n square plus 5 equals to 21.
one possibility is 6n equal to n square plus 5.
Yes.
Or 6n plus n square plus 5 should be equal to 21. So n square minus 6n plus 5 should be 0. N minus 5 into n minus 1 should be 0. N is equal to 5 या n equal to 1. दूसरा तरीका है n square plus 6n minus 16 should be 0. इसको सॉल्व कर सकता है 8 and 2. So n plus 8 into n minus 2 equal to 0. N cannot be negative. So n can be only positive. So the value of n can be either 1, 2, or 5. Now check whether you put 1 here, no problem, 2 here, no. But n cannot be 5. Can anybody tell me why n cannot be 5?
Because,
If you put n as 5, what will happen?
so if you put
Sir, it
5,
will
6 or
become
30, it
25
should
to
become greater than
30,
21.
and R should
It
never
will
down
become
be
greater
number
than
will
21,
become,
which is not
yeah,
possible.
down number will become greater than so
Upper
5
one.
and
So it will
21 upper 1.
the possibility of n is only 1 and 2. समझा कि नहीं? So after you get the value, you must put it back and check whether it satisfies or not. I hope you are, all of you are writing the questions and answers.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember this? How much is 10C3 plus 10C4? 10C3 plus 10C4. Yesterday I taught you this. NCR plus NCR minus 1. कितना है? Upper number will increase by 1 and lower greater will be taken. याद है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
I taught you like this many formula. They are all short question for your exam. 10C3 plus 10C4 is 11C4. Upper number increased by 1, lower number greater will be taken. Is it clear? Yes or
Yes.
no? Now you need to calculate this. 11C4 plus 11C5 plus 12C6 plus 13C7. Now you tell me, add this both and tell me how much is it? How much is that?
12C5.
12C5 plus 12C6 plus 13C7. Now add the next two.
Then 13C6.
How much is it become?
13C6.
13C6 plus 13C7. Now add this both and tell me how much answer?
14C7.
14C7. And what is your right hand side? 14CR.
R.
So R should be how much?
R will be 7.
Or 14 minus 7, that is also 7. Barabar hai na? 14C7 is same as 14C7 only. So no problem. Suppose it was 6 here, then R only one possibility is here. Everybody followed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's got it. Very important. First of all, you put R as 1. When you put R as 1, you get 21 minus 1. That means 20C4. then put RS2, then RS3, RS4. Is this clear to everybody?
Hmm.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what you do? 17C4 I wrote first, 18C4 I wrote second. I reversed it. If you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
17C4 is same as 17C13. Is there any doubt here?
No.
18C4 is same as 18C14. 19C4 is same as 19C15. And 20C4 is same as 20C. So now I got one increments.
Hmm.
Now addition is possible. Only upper number are equal. And lower numbers difference is 1. Then only you can add. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
So what you do is add and subtract 17C12. Add 17C12. Subtract 17C12.
So why did you add that 70C12 and subtracted
Then only this
17C12?
both can be added. It becomes 18C13. Now our previous way it will work. Now this both can be added. 19C14. Now keep on continuing this addition. Can you read it properly that I'm writing?
That blue ink is not that clear,
I'll write it
but
on
it's okay, fine.
1 minute.
Will do.
I'll write from the beginning. It's a very important question. Sigma R is equal to how much? 1 to 4. 21 minus R C. How much it was?
4.
4.
So first you put RS1, you get 20C4. Then you put RS2, you get 19C4. Then you put RS3, 18C4. Then you put RS, the upper number 4, so 17C4. Is that clear?
17C4. Yes.
This can be rewritten as all of them are 4. You cannot add them up. What formula do you want to apply? NCR plus NCR minus 1. You want to apply this, right? Out of this two, there should be a difference of 1 and upper number should be same. Here upper number is not same and difference is also not 1. So we write 20C4 as 20C16. 19C4 as 19C15. 18C4 as 18C14. 17C4 as 17C13. Do you agree with what I've written? From where did I get this? NCR is same as NCN minus R. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Now what I do is smallest one I'm writing first. Then next one. Then next one. Then next one. Now I cannot add this both because upper numbers are not same. If I want to add, I must have upper number same and also the lower number 1 less. Then only addition is possible. So whatever the number I put extra need to be subtracted. Is it clear to everybody? Added and subtracted. Added here, subtracted over here. Now it is possible for me to add them up. They both can be added. It becomes 18C13 plus 18C14 plus 19C15 plus 20C16 minus 17C12. Now again, this both can be added. 19C14, 19C15, 20C16 minus 17C12. Again, this both can be added.
DC15.
20C15 plus 20C16 minus 17C12. Now this both can be added.
21C16.
C16 minus 17C12. That is my answer. So my
So
answer
after this,
became,
you don't have to solve.
let's check whether we can solve it. So this is equal to 21C5 minus 17C5, correct?
12.
21C5, 17C5. Now check whether you can cancel or add or something. 21 into, what is the answer given? Mostly answer will be this only. 21C5 minus 17C5. You have to check the answer whether they are calculated or not calculated. Write 5 numbers from 21 and write 17, 5 numbers and then do it. Mostly your answer should be the same thing only.